Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to do a video showing you guys how to fill a pastry bag. Or if you don't have a pastry bag and you want to save some money, a Ziploc bag. It does the same job. What you're going to need for this is a Ziploc bag, a cup, and your filling that you're wanting to do and pipe with. Get your cup, put it in there so it has some opening, because the point of this is it won't just fall over everywhere. And so this is how you're gonna do it. Put it like that. Halfway through, you're going to want to kind of shake it down so it gets more towards the corner. If you are using more, use a gallon size Ziploc bag and use a bigger cup, like a pitcher or something like that. I make sure to get all of the air bubbles out. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Now, all I have to do at this point is cut off the tip, and I'm ready for some piping. If you want to see some more cooking tips and things that I've learned over the years, please leave me a comment and let me know. Have a great day. Bye.